So I got the one with the 3 tracks in it, and it's really easy to use. You can easily push that back to load it, you know, and then as you take drinks out, it will push them forward, which is great. So here's just me loading it. See? Simple, simple. And then, you know, just as you take drinks out, just pushes them forward. So far, no problems. I haven't had any, you know, it doesn't wiggle around or anything like that. So far, so good. I've actually really enjoyed having this in here, and it always brings the drinks forward. So, nice purchase.
You slide this on to these, then the spacer bar, then the next, and then the spacer bar, then the next, and that's it.